Looking for a convenient way to stay cool on the road? In this video, we're checking out the top 5 best portable ACs for cars of 2026, featuring compact car coolers, rechargeable fans, mini evaporative air conditioners, and powerful 12V vehicle AC systems. We'll compare their cooling performance, portability, power options, features, and overall value to help you find the right option for your car, truck, RV, or camping setup. Starting at number 1. 12V Portable Car Cooling Fan. The Lealerman 12V Portable Car Cooling Fan is a compact and convenient cooling solution designed for cars, trucks, SUVs, RVs, boats, and golf carts. It features a 12V cigarette lighter plug for easy plug-and-play installation without complicated wiring, while its compact dashboard design saves space and keeps the unit stable during driving. The device uses a water-cooled fan to provide a cooling airflow and is rated at 120 watts. With dimensions of 5.8 by 7.8 by 4.2 inches and a weight of about 2 pounds, it is portable enough for travel and long drives. However, it is better considered a personal water-cooled fan or evaporative cooler rather than a true compressor-based air conditioner. Number 2. Clip-on Rechargeable USB Fan. The Open Bay Clip-on Fan is a compact rechargeable cooling fan that works well for cars, camping, desks, strollers, and other small spaces. It features a 6,000 revolutions per minute 7-blade motor capable of producing airflow up to 7 meters per second, while the sturdy anti-slip clamp lets you securely attach it to surfaces such as a car seat or desk and adjust the airflow through 360 degrees. Its 100 adjustable speed levels, touch controls, and LED display make it easy to fine-tune airflow and monitor the battery and speed settings. The built-in 3000 mAh rechargeable battery provides roughly 3 to 8 hours of operation and can be recharged via USB-C. At approximately 6.1 by 3.2 by 7.5 inches and 1.25 pounds, it is portable and convenient for travel. Current 2026 listings place similar Open Bay units around the $25 range. Number 3. BLACK+DECKER Portable Air Conditioner. The BLACK+DECKER Packed 08WT Portable Air Conditioner is a powerful 3-in-1 cooling unit that combines an air conditioner, fan, and dehumidifier in one portable design. It offers 8,000 BTU OSHRI cooling capacity and is designed for indoor spaces, with features including a full-function remote control, washable filter, LED control panel, rolling casters, and an included window installation kit. Measuring approximately 15.3 by 14 by 25 inches and weighing around 52.9 pounds, it can be moved between rooms relatively easily. However, it uses 115V corded power and requires an exhaust hose, so it is not a direct 12V car air conditioner. For a portable cooling list, it is better suited to RVs, campers, garages, or stationary spaces with access to proper power and ventilation. Number 4. Universal 12V Electric Air Conditioner Kit. The Indexito Universal 12V Electric Air Conditioner Kit is a heavy-duty vehicle cooling and heating system designed for campers, RVs, trucks, trailers, and other larger vehicles. It operates on a 12V DC power system and combines an electric compressor, condenser, evaporator, and fan into an under-chassis installation designed to save cabin space. The unit is rated at 8,500 BTU, uses about 950 watts, and has a listed noise level of around 45 dB. It also provides both heating and cooling, making it suitable for year-round climate control. At approximately 51 pounds, this is not a simple portable plug-in cooler, it is a substantial vehicle installation system, and the listing recommends professional installation, especially because an installation manual is not included. For a portable AC for cars list, I would categorize it as a heavy-duty 12V vehicle AC upgrade for RVs and trucks, rather than a small portable car fan. Number 5. Humuge YPD2106 Mini Air Conditioner. The Humuge YPD2106 Mini Air Conditioner is a compact 4-in-1 evaporative air cooler that combines a personal air cooler, humidifier, desk fan, and 7-color LED light. It features a 1,500 milliliters water capacity, 3 adjustable fan speeds, dual mist ports, and a 2 or 4 hour timer, while operating at a relatively quiet 30 dB. The unit uses 5V USB-C power at around 6 watts, so it can be powered from a USB port, power bank, or compatible car charger. Its compact 5x11x7-inch design makes it convenient for desks, camping, or personal use in a vehicle. However, it is important to note that this is an evaporative cooler rather than a compressor-based air conditioner, and the manufacturer states that it is designed to cool the area immediately around the user rather than an entire room.